Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I found a 2000 Lincoln Town Car Limousine, and this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the town car. Start it up, show the engine, as well as show a few of the features on the interior as well as exterior, and check out some of the neat features in the back. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. See how many miles are on it. $78,360. Nice. Alright, we're going to cut on the headlights as well as the hazards. And we'll check out the exterior. Chrome rocker panel. Does have a full power sunroof back here. Dual exhaust. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's got the 4.6 liter V8. Panel is loose here. Trunk and fuel cap. Seat controls, power everything. Full leather seat. Manual telescoping steering wheel. And we'll see how it sounds. Not bad. I have no idea what that clicking noise is, so don't ask me. Automatic climate control. Different zones. You have your main power for everything in the rear. Some privacy. As well as all of your other controls.
Designated beneficiary.
You got him, right? Yeah, I got him, bun. I love myself because I swear that life is just pain.
Right, then shut it off. And pop the fuel cap in the trunk as well. Very large trunk. Tinted rear windows. Well, that's back of a limousine for you. Seats are very soft. Your fiber optic mirror. Also a television. Your VCR and your phone to reach the driver up front. Some of the lights on. Not bad. Tires look pretty good on it. Well, there you go. That's pretty much what a limousine looks like. About in the best of shape, but I figured it'd be a good example to show everybody. I know a lot of people enjoyed the Cadillac Limousine, the 6-door that I had a while ago, so it's pretty nice to find a stretch. So, be sure to stay tuned next time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe today, there's a lot more to come where that came from. Take it easy, everybody.